Alright friends, good to meet you all again through the video. Our mind is our best PA, personal assistant. We and our mind are one single team made for each other. Our mind has got an immense potential, immense capacity to keep us happy. But what we feed into it is what really results in keeping us happy or keeping us fit. There are lots of thoughts that keep moving into our brain continuously. On an average, they say it's about anything between 6 to 10 thoughts per minute. And it just keeps moving. There's no problem at all. And we cannot stop it. The more we try to stop it, it's like don't think of a monkey when you are taking a medicine, right? So it's like that. The more you try to control, the more it's going to come. So the thoughts keep moving, but we have got a tendency to latch on to certain thoughts, and that is what normally we think is going to either make us go into the negative side or into the positive side trend, right? So mind has, as I said earlier, has got a capacity to eavesdrop on our thoughts, and any thought that makes us happy, mind feels that okay, this is something which he is happy about, and let's give him more of such kind of circumstances where he will be happy. For example, we are stuck in a traffic jam and we feel so frustrated. The signal is pretty long, and we feel very frustrated. Why the hell am I doing this? Every day I've got to travel so long a distance to office, and why am I having this office at this so far away from my house? Such kind of thoughts, if it comes in, mind also keeps looking for these kind of thoughts, and it thinks that okay, this person really doesn't, all this is because he's enduring, all this is because he has to go to office, which he actually doesn't like anymore. So let us put him into a kind of sickness, and after a few days you will find that you are actually getting sick. It is not that you are falling sick because your body is no longer in a healthy mode. Instead, your mind made your body unhealthy or sick, and you have fallen sick. You have taken a trend for that. That's all, as simple as that. In the US, they conducted a research to see how the thought, the mind and the body, they coordinate with each other. What happened was they immersed a mouse in a pail full of water, and they latched the small hook to the tail, and it was filled with water. The pail was filled with water. The mouse was trying to ebb itself out again, many times. It tried this ebbing out for about 10 minutes before it gave up. And as it was giving up, they picked the mouse out of the pail, dried it, and again put it back in the water, drowned it. And this time, what happened was the mouse tried trying to get out of water, not just for 10 minutes. Imagine how long it took before it gave up this time. It went on like this 10, 20, 30, 40. It went on for 60 full minutes before giving up. What it means is, once the mind knows that after as long as we keep trying, there is somebody that's going to come and save us. Once it knows that, it keeps going on for a very long time until it actually wears out without any more effort. So mind has got an immense potential. We need to push it farther and farther, so that it can do lot of good things for us. But how do we do that? The thoughts that we put in is the seed for the mind. So the better thoughts we put into the mind will be able to work for us more. It does not know anything about good thoughts and bad thoughts. It knows only about the thoughts. So the thoughts that we latch on to, mind thinks that this is what we want. So going back to our example, how do we convert these kind of thoughts into something that we like? Right? I said negative thoughts are always bad. So how do we convert into the positive thoughts? We'll have to find a way out. For each of these negative thoughts that we have been latching on to, we need to find a converse mode to say, I'm stuck in traffic, but I am in an AC room, AC car, there's no problem at all. And there are a lot of other people who are still waiting outside in this hot sun, so, or in the rain, whatever, right? And I am now having a lot of time all for myself without anybody disturbing me anymore. This could be utilized for listening to some soothing music, or I can hear some good lecture, spiritual or motivational, whatever. I can hear to some lecture. So this is the best time of myself, and this I am going to utilize for my own self. Once we start putting in such kind of seeds into the thoughts, we feel happy about it. Why? Because our brain starts secreting dopamine whenever we feel happy. The mind knows that this dopamine is something which keeps the mind very, very happy. The actual happiness need not come from doing something, but once the thoughts become happy, the dopamine is automatically secreted by the brain. So the mind knows it, and as I said earlier, it's been eavesdropping on us. So it knows this is good, and it feels happy, and we feel very happy eventually, right? We go to the gym. We decide to go to the gym rather, and we feel, okay, going to the gym, it's going to be very tired. I have to get up so early in the morning. I need to hit the gym regularly, and I need to pick up weights. I need to walk on the treadmill, and that's going to keep me more tired, and I don't think really I can do it tomorrow. Probably I will procrastinate it and take it for day after tomorrow, kind of. Then the mind thinks again, it is not for this guy. He is not very happy in going to the gym. Let's try to dissuade him from going tomorrow again. So every day we start procrastinating until one day we said, okay, this is all for me. I am no longer going to try going to the gym. That's it. I am done with for the gym. Many times this is what happens in us. You know, the soldiers, they carry a lot of things on their shoulder pack, and they walk in the dark night, you know, so because they cannot go uphill during the daytime because enemies will spot them. So how do they keep themselves motivated? They say, this is required for our land, this is required for me, this is what is keeping me happy. When they do this kind of self-talk and the thoughts that will keep them propelling towards going farther, mind starts pushing them into taking up such kind of action also. This is what the mind does to us. So we need to ensure that our teammate, the mind, is kept happy, and our PA is going to work for us all the time. Thanks for watching.